Good day everyone, welcome back to another video brought to you by the Drone Centre. I'm excited to present to you today the DJI Zenmuse U10 methane detection system by AILF Instruments. This sensor offers plug and play capability with the DJI Matrice 300 series drone, together with the Alpha 1 iOS application. So let's talk about methane and the importance of measuring the impact this gas can present to certain sectors throughout the MENA region, and in particular the oil and gas sector. Greenhouse gas emissions have a negative impact on the environment. Asset maintenance plays an important role in the MENA region, with ambitions to reduce our carbon footprint in line with the government guidelines. The U10 sensor therefore plays an important role in assessing, in detecting, and also reducing emissions that lead to these higher carbon footprints. The U10 uses TDLAS technology. This stands for Tunable Diode Laser Absorption Spectroscopy. To put it simply, the laser detects the methane and it bounces that energy back to the sensor. The U10 also uses the standard mounting system as presented by the DJI Matrice 300 series. The detection range is up to 100 meters, with a detection limit of 5 particles per million, thanks to the Class 3R laser afforded by the U10. This also makes the laser very safe to be used in a manned environment. And also to note, the operating temperature is in line with the DJI Matrice 300 series drone. That is minus 20 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. The Alpha 1 iOS app helps you set gas concentration levels and will instantly notify you if the concentration exceeds the preset level. Similarly, the app gives you a complete aerial overview of the suspected leakage site, and it updates you on the gas concentration, the inspection route, obstacle avoidance information. It also flags specific points for abnormalities, and finally it generates a comprehensive inspection report. So what are the real-world benefits of this sensor? You can leverage this tool to inspect and maintain liquid natural gas plants, gas storage tanks, gas pipelines, landfills, or any difficult-to-reach areas where the use of methane gas is involved. Drones equipped with the all-new Zenmuse U10 can just fly around and give you precise information, and that too in just 25 milliseconds. Alright, are you in the oil and gas sector? You don't want to miss this by any chance. The automated mode of operation, accurate results, and the opportunity for instant data visualization makes the U10 arguably the best way forward for methane gas detection. Okay, if you'd like to learn anything more from the Drone Centre, please let us know in the comments section below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. If you want to learn more about drones or about sensors, we're all ears. If you want to learn more as well, please also consider subscribing to the channel and hitting a like. Hopefully we see you next time. Thanks for joining us.